guys! Hey guys! What's up? Hey guys, what's up? Dimension and Diamond here, and today I just came back from eating dinner. Today's my sister's birthday. Honey, where's my cable?
What you want here?
I need my cable.
What cable?
My red cable, because it matches color with my phone. So I need to charge my phone because my phone is at 20%. Still gotta make a video.
Okay. I don't know where you
Guys, let's wait for.
Don't.
Guys, I'm back. My dad is chasing me again. Every time that happens at the stairs. On the lights. Okay, my fun. Get it. Here's my cable. The color Samsung Twin Plus. Okay. Now Chasen sent me a message. She's one of my friends at Facebook. She tried to edit me in. And if you think what I'm wearing, of course, I'm wearing my camo shirt with some skinny jeans. Very comfortable. And everybody that watched my videos so long no see. I've actually saw you guys because I can view how many views and see who the viewers actually are. Samsung only can do that. Booyah! Right now I'm actually using my Canon camera. So after I need to use the computer to post it. So all I need just to connect. Then after that put the thing in the video recorder. That just post it on YouTube. Then I'm done. And if you guys, you guys comment in the section below which YouTuber you like, Diamond Minecraft or Popular Moos. But if you don't know both of them, then just choose who's 8-Bit Ryan, The Riches or something, or other YouTuber. Just press hashtag that YouTuber's name. You type in hashtag DanDM, hashtag Popular Moos, hashtag 8-Bit Ryan, hashtag Riches, The Richest. And right now I'm still in my room. And right now is holiday for 4年级到5年级 but I mean 1年级到5年级 but 6年级 got study. Let me get it. And my sister is 6年级, so I'll not be going on holiday for about this year, but next year I'll be, because you know why? She'll be in secondary school already, and she'll be the first grade at secondary school, so it's like 1年级 but secondary type. Well guys, I don't know how many time I got, but right now is 9:50. And if you guys don't know whether I really got saved all my videos, I can, because I got a micro SIM card. There's a micro card, and that's my memory recorder for my phone. So now the memory recorder for the camera thing is inside my Canon. Get out zoom up. On the timer. Then I need to do it. Well, guys, if you are my classmate, then bullshit. Just don't care about me. It's just that I have school homework and I should have done a single page of it. That's bullshit. I don't like school holiday homework. I only do it at last minute, so I also do the same thing of every homework. But this time I'm gonna do it at the Saturday and Sunday, last 2 days. I hate exam because after the school holiday, the first week after exam like that, after the holiday, after when the school reopen, that's that bullshit. We have 1 week to practice only. Bullshit. Oh, guys. Hope you guys enjoy and peace out. Also, one more thing. I not should cut my hair. That's why you see my hair so long. Peace! Oh, I forgot to end.